how to make a jump cut in DaVinci Resolve. Let's go to computer screen. Let's go to the computer and let's find out. You can drag and drop. Go to media. Might take a bit because yeah. Alright, I'm not gonna blur that out right away, but take something simple. Say this. If you want to save the frame rate and stuff, I say don't change it. It should load right up. Right there. Go to the edit page or the cut page. For this tutorial, I say go to the edit page because you'll be doing most of the edits in here. Drag and drop. Find the area you don't want to cut. I say that's a spot. That's a good spot. Cut right there. Move the playhead. And cut right there. Go up to the select mode. Or A. Hit that. Right click. You either cut it, like a simple sum cut, ripple cut, which I will go over in a future tutorial, cut it, or ripple delete. We're gonna simple cut it right now, and plot it like that. For this, so I don't want to play the audio. I'm gonna mute the audio real quick. And just play it forward. Play it back from the beginning. There you go. But I'm gonna do another one again. Just to show you like a bigger one. Say from there to there. Let's do a bigger one to let you know. Cut that, place it right there, collide with that, and you have 2 jump cuts. I will make it smoother in the future tutorial. Anyway, that's the tutorial. See ya.